Happy farming mga bossing! Today is mag-vaccine administer tayo as maintenance and protection sa mga alaga natin. May mga bagong hatch kasi na day-old chicks at day-old na turkeys. So ito pala ang gamit nating Vaccine Clone Plus IB. Clone Plus IB is a term that can refer to several different vaccines for chickens, primarily against Newcastle disease and infectious bronchitis. These vaccines typically use cloned strains of the viruses, ensuring consistent and reliable protection. These vaccines use specific genetically stable strains of the viruses that cause ND and IB. These strains are carefully selected for their effectiveness and are cloned to maintain their characteristics. Many clone IB vaccines are combined, meaning they protect against both ND and IB in a single dose. Clone Plus IB vaccines can be live, containing weakened but still active viruses, or inactivated, containing killed viruses. Cloned strains ensure a consistent and predictable immune response in vaccinated birds. Protection against multiple diseases. Kaya mga bossing, practice talaga namin ang regular vaccination program para sigurado tayo na protektado mga alaga namin at di basta-basta magkakasakit. Malaki ang kahalagahan ng vaccination sa ating mga alaga kasi ito ay makakatulong sa kanila upang ma-develop ang kanilang immune system sa mga sakit na paparating. Ito ang kanilang defense mechanism. Kung matamaan man sila ng sakit, mataas ang recovery chance nila. Happy farming mga bossing!